Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Guinea pigs are native to South America, thousands of miles away from the African country. Dogs can sniff at the same time as breathing. Benjamin Franklin coined the term battery. Nearly 15% of Los Angeles is used as a parking lot. Artist Salvador Dali was a furniture designer. The first known recipe of angel food cake was published in 1878. Tower Bridge, which is often mistaken for London Bridge, is taller at a height of 213 feet. Don't mix your bad words with your bad mood. You will have many opportunities to change your mood, but you will never get the opportunity to replace the words you spoke. Lions are matriarchal too. Some butterfly species are extremely fast. The skipper butterfly can fly faster than a horse can run. There is a coding school in India, Masai School, where you pay the course fees only after you get a job of 5 lakh per annum or more. The modern salute is believed to be derived from the way in which French knights would greet each other by lifting the visors of their helmets. If the whole population of China walked past you in a single file, the line would never end because of the rate of reproduction. Steam power is 2000 years old. Norway becomes the first country in the world where electric cars outnumber petrol cars. The world's hottest pepper is cultivated in the US. A 4-man anti-poaching team that permanently guards a northern white rhino. Meet the man from Rajkot who handmade a 1000cc bike. Giant alcohol cloud found in the center of our galaxy can serve 300,000 liters of alcohol for a billion years. 23-year-old Aishwarya Sridhar becomes the first Indian to win Wildlife Photographer of the Year award. Her photo titled Lights of Passion has won the highly commended award. Turtle bites are 1000 times more painful than those of a dog. The little beak they have in their mouth is deadly. Consuming beets regularly can effectively lower the chances of varicose veins. They contain the plant pigment betasenin, which may help to reduce the amino acid homocysteine, which is known to damage blood vessels. Having too many choices often leads to decision paralysis and decreased satisfaction with your decisions. Erasers are made for those who are willing to correct their mistakes. If you are wondering how people do graffiti on bridges, Mukesh Ambani own a total of 168 cars which are parked inside their house Antilia. Photographer shares amazing bird's eye view of elephant shadows. Legend Muhammad Ali letting a young fan win a fight 1963. Paralympic tapers practice their timing for 10 years and earn $100,000 per year. Rare spherical cloud that was photographed in Japan in 2016. Two elephants reach out in a brief moments of love and bonding before taken away from each other. Bridge cables are made of 30,000 wires that could wrap around the earth 2 times. Barcelona during the day versus the night. Trains can release 200 liters of toilet water at a train station. In 1978, a researcher played a deceased elephant's calls from a hidden speaker. Her family responded by frantically searching and calling out for her, with the daughter continuing for days. Moved by the grief, the researcher decided never to repeat the experiment. Greenland ice cores contain lead pollution from Romans melting of lead silver minerals. This lead transported by winds and trapped in the ice allows scientists to track Roman economic activity, correlating with historical events like wars and periods of prosperity. Magellan. Early life and naval beginnings. Falling out with Portugal. The quest to reach the Spice Islands. The Armada de Molucca. Discovery of the Strait of Magellan. Crossing the Pacific. Arrival in the Philippines. Completion of the voyage. Legacy of Magellan's voyage. Thanks for watching.